I mean, I say about half an hour. Put it on this. This video.
When we really a bag of white, still a black.
Yeah, people, check in. Right now, we're up on the riverside here. I go coast, I go look some yam. Shallow little swim. I try to show people. That's all right. I have to find some yam today. I want to roast 2 yam on the seaside Sunday. So right now we're there on the hunt. Make it true. Have one. Beautiful. Must find something today, guys. Try the road, guys. As I can see, we reach on the next section. I like the river. The last search. Search. Check it out. The rain give me a little break today. Yeah guys, now we not see nothing yet, but we still a search, we not give up. Just go and stay tuned, like, comment, share and subscribe. go and watch a little adventure. Watch here, guys. Yeah? Check him back. I want fire course in the car. I want different part to the pan again.
Yes, I know. We got the split water right here.
That's it. Check in, check in, check in. Yeah guys, remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. It don't cost $1. Just a little press. And tune in for the video them. Wow, force, river force. Nature walk. In the jungle with there, you know, guys. In the jungle. As you can see, we finally find piece of yam. So go and comment, share, and subscribe. Same way. Finally find piece.
Oh,
I get dig out. Too much work, people.
Piece more whole. Mama this. Piece more. See me a sweat. Sweat a drop. Guys, you know what I want? You can't help me out with something. I want gold digger. I want gold digger, so you know. I need a gold digger to come and dig this yam for me. You guys have any in mind? You can hit me up in the comment section, okay?
Needed.
Them needed. Fully, guys. Them needed. I need a gold digger, guys. I need a gold digger. I need a gold digger to come and help me out with this yam. This yam plant. And running the race. A fall race. In the ground.
Feet.
Guys, you know, move. So far, me I go meet Satan.
Sun is shining.
Call the gold digger them.
About 12 minutes gone.
12 minutes gone?
Yeah.
Only per minute. Can't dig no more. One alone have to dig. 1 yam per day.
At 30, you don't go for that now.
Guys, 1 yam per day. 1 yam per day.
So when you don't go to market and don't hear people, them say them price. You have to know what them I go through.
Don't cry. Do not cry, guys. Do not cry. Just bite. Just bite. Because on stone the right here, so right now black traffic. I mean, don't know when coming on stage and come like transporter with the taxi man them. On stage so. And the hustling cop. Not a bad cop trying to feed the family. Wow. We have to rest. Woo! Oh, people. I feel like someone move. If you take out this. Alright.
See that? You see that? Piece of.
Fatty, you hear me tell her? Have faith on the maga boy.
I say about half an hour. What do you find this here? Best video. About half an hour. Look there. Two was I look funny.
Yeah,
you never say
me yam. Me yam. Like
we nah give up.
Nah give up. I don't tell you fatty. Believe now you maga man them here. Maga man can make your life happy. True maga man never give up. Alright.
Clean everything.
You want this scratch now? Can't take a scratch and I am right
nice
now.
piece I am.
The things are having fun down so.
How much fun?
I'm tired and I am take out 95% of my energy, so right now I got to have the head right there. You see if the head bigger than that, when we reach we am professional or elder, then we tell me. But I must say head. Here's the yam. 10 pound of yam, you know. One hole, you know, 10 pound of yam, you know. One hole, 10 pound of yam come out. 10 pound of soft yam. Alright. Just link me up in the comments if you want a piece of yam. Just link me up and I make you get piece of yam because them yam, you know, see a bush me I dig this yam.
All purple yam me
have. All purple yam me have in the bush them. So if you want yam, you link me up for yam because me I get some comment about the yam, so me I tell you now. So if you want a piece of yam, link me up in the comment section and just make me tell you when I'm there. and then when you get FoR yam. Alright.
You saw every little thing in there, guys. Pepper.
Yeah, man, the greenhouse soon ready. By January, I have the greenhouse on the hilltop back of my yard. So, you don't know what thing I have sweet pepper, tomato, onion. I have all the little things. I have my plan to plant also melon on the outside. So if you want all the melon, you want a slice of melon, or one whole one, you know if you link up. As soon as them are ready, we'll go no heads up and make you know. So you know what thing, just please like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. If any video come in, you get it as it drop.
Help support, guys.
Yeah, man, just support me.
Remember, in a cost $1, guys.
Not $1.
Press
See,
the button and go and watch.
TikTok and on top of his screen to get the likes them. I sound just use on the finger enough. One tap, subscribe. Another tap, hit the notification bell. Any video I upload, you get them
check
straight.
in
That is it. I'm out. Guys, this is what I'm talking about the yam them. Alright, look here. Looking at this yamil. See this with the maca? Look here, guys. You have the maca right here on this one. Alright, and then you have different breed right here, different one here, different one here, and one more over here. So, and if you look on the top side right here, if you look on the top side right here, you got a lot of different yam right here. Look, this is a different one right here, and this is a different one coming back right here, right at the hillside right here. Alright, I'll show you this one, and this one is easy to dig. Easy dig. You can dig out this one like in seconds. Last time you said that. Watch here. Look on this one. This is just a little one. So this let me show you this. Show you guys this. Let me tell you if you want to just link up. Alright. Yeah. Look here. See him white and pretty? Ready. Alright. Hold this bro. Tell me already, no man. See there? I have whole heap of yam. I have whole heap of yam in a bush, just Lego in a bush. Look up on this. This just a come. You see him pretty? But make that one here, a baby that one there. See how trouble him molest. We can't be a child molester. Look here. I have whole heap of yam. As me tell you, just hit me up in the comment section. Make me know if you want a piece of yam. I'm going to come back a bush and dig a piece of yam, but you have to help me. Just subscribe. Tell a friend for tell a friend. Subscribe. Just help support my channel and me support you. Because help.
You trying to help one.
Alright. Teamwork make the dream work, as you all must know. As long as you're alive, you know that teamwork make the dream work. I'm out. When we lay a bag of fight, still a bag of fight.